got these delicious yummy nummies. And they're just different flavoured sweets, gummy sweets. This is the front of the box. Look, there's a little kid. And that's where you mix the flavours with water, because it says mix right there. And that's where you make them there. And you have to put them in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes. And that's when you eat them. These are the flavours. The flavours are cherry, tropical, punch, and blue raspberry flavours. This is also what you get in the box. You get a spoon, measuring scoop, and a plate, instructions, and the kitchen magic tray. I'm so excited to make these yummy nummies, so let's get started! Here's everything out of the box. And this is the flavour tropical punch. This is the flavour cherry. And this flavour is blue raspberry. And here's the tray. And there's a dog, and an elephant, and a giraffe, and an owl moulds. Plate, spoon, and a measuring cup. This is the measuring spoon. And the instructions. First, you have to pour each 2 flavours into each little square, but it's 2 of the same flavour, but the 4th one are 2 different ones. So, let's do it. I'm going to start with cherry. Use the scooper. A bit more. Level it. Just use the spoon. This looks like snow. Pour into the first square. Get another cherry. Then we'll move on to the next flavour. Bit more again. You do have to be careful when you level it. Good. Now I'm going to do blue raspberry. Use the scooper. Then you just do the same. Into this one, get another one, and you're going to scoop. I wonder what these little yummy nummies will taste like. They'll taste like little sweets. Next flavour is tropical punch. Get the scooper. Level it. Then put it into this one. Get another one. Level it. Now I'm going to mix it. Mix it with 2 flavours. I'm going to mix it with the tropical punch and the blue raspberry. Level it. Get this one. Level it again. So there. Step 1 is complete. Now I'm on to step 2. And that step is to get the scooper, scoop 4 scoops of water in each little square, and then you mix it with the green spoon. So let's get started. You have to be careful. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's mix it. Wow, this is going a bit. Mix, 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 mix. It's turning green. Now moving on to the next flavour. So let's do the same as the last flavour. Get 4 scoops. 1. Oh, that's gone yellow. 2. Still yellow. Might stay yellow. 3. 4. I have to mix with the green spoon. All done. Let's taste before they go in the fridge. Nice. They feel gooey. They all taste the same, but different colours. Now I'm on step 3, moving the flavours into the animals. Let's use the mixer. Put the green colour into the dog. Till it gets all filled up. But make sure it don't overflow. You can use all of it. All done! I'm so excited to taste these once they're out of the fridge. I'm going to leave them in the fridge for 15 minutes, so I'll see you guys soon. Here they are, guys, all done. But be careful because they are a bit slimy in your hands. Let's taste these gummies. The first one I'm going to taste is going to be the red giraffe. Nice. Off my hand. I did tell you they are sour. waterproof. Guys, then Yummy Nummies were very nice and they were very fun to make, so I reckon you guys shall go and get them. Okay guys, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed me making my Yummy Nummies, and can you please like, comment and subscribe to my channel.